How to make packaging a career. Transform your passion for creativity into a thriving career. Packaging may not be sexy, may not be glamorous, but the innovation and the need for it, whether it's a retail or industrial product, is so off the charts, it's critical to a product's success. Now discover the art and science behind packaging design, packaging innovation, and packaging sales. It's truly needed now more than ever. The industry is full of commodity salespeople. We need you to help us unlock the possibilities, shape the future, not just of sales and packaging, but of companies and their products and their particular brands. Now, let me explain further why this is absolutely critical and how you can prosper in the packaging space. It's absolutely critical that you understand what's been happening over the last 25 years. We really have eliminated a lot of the creative packaging reps and even the creative people at companies that understand or have knowledge of packaging. My point is, do you want a job like the commodity salespeople or a career? Okay? And this is where I think the market really has a huge potential if you want to benefit and focus on innovation. Innovative product, innovative styles, innovative materials. There's innovative packaging. There are so many cutting edge, and I've shared in several different videos, different types of packaging that's out there, from flexible pouches and barrier products to breathable film to pouches that actually replace the need for buckets and pails. There's so much innovation that's out there in the marketplace, and we need people that can sell it, that can communicate with their customers and talk with a customer. There's so many commodity people, I've said this before, and they're looking to just sell something. They're what we call hot dog salesmen, okay? If you want to make a career out of the packaging space, you need to understand not just the packaging products, but you need to understand the features and advantages and disadvantages, whatever it may be, that packaging or certain packaging products have. This way you can have conversations with your customer, ask them questions, and just as important, listen. Listen to what they need. Commodity salespeople, aka the hot dog sales folks, they're just looking to sell hot dogs. But we're looking for people, the industry needs people that can sell steak and lobster, or steak and lobster. What I'm getting at is it's a skill to ask questions and listen to what the customer wants and needs. Why are they looking? What product are they currently having? What pain point do they have? And so many people in this space just go right for the jugular, just go walking right in whatever way they can to try to sell them what they've got. That's not the packaging industry that I get into, and that's not the packaging industry that I love, nor is it the packaging industry that you will be able to profit and make a ton of money. It's critical that you understand there's a ton of potential out here, but you need to be able to sell. This isn't a catalog. This isn't something you just walk off the street and make $100,000. This is something where you need to be able to communicate with your customer. And like I said before, you're gonna need to be able to listen. I'm gonna focus again here on solving pain. You can find a customer's pain point by asking questions, by digging in deeper, why they're looking, what the pain. Now, pain can be anything. Yes, it could be cost, but it could be damage. It could be problems with their factory or their current supplier. It could very easily be problems where they're getting lousy customer service from their current supplier. There's so much going on out there that so many companies have no clue where to even start. I hope you like this content. If you want more of it, I put together a specialized packaging alliance, a group of packaging professionals, if you will, that are in different facets of this industry. We talk strategy, sales, and marketing. I'll also be answering your questions. If you want to join, click the link below. Thanks. Another thing you want to focus on is the environment. A lot of people in this space or in the packaging world want and need environmental guidance for their packaging. Recyclable, biodegradable, compostable. There's so many things that are out there, but you, packaging professional, you can bring it to them. And when you do this, when you're the lead dog, when you're bringing in the information about the environment, whether something is truly good for the environment or therefore not necessarily good for the environment. There's a lot out there that people don't understand, but when you bring it to them and you're able to be their resource and then become their partner, you truly can benefit. This is how you can make a career out of this space, by being a partner and truly helping your customer not just survive, but thrive, okay? So these are the kind of things when I talk about how you can get into the packaging career or packaging space as a career. There's so much here, but it comes down to literally knowing your products, knowing what you have that's out there, knowing your factories, knowing the advantages that your factories bring to you, knowing the products, knowing the packaging products that work with your customer, not what you can sell them. What do they need? Is it something that's run on their equipment? Is it something that's hand filled? Is it something that has to go through high temperatures or freezers? So many packaging people these days don't even ask those questions, but your customers need that guidance because you can sell it to them. There are factories out here that truly want to partner with you. You can then be able to work with those factories for the innovative style and packaging, of course, but you can partner with them to become your warehouse, even become your bank. In this day and age right now, we need you. This is how you get into the packaging space, and this is how you profit and make money and truly separate yourself from the rest of anybody else in the industry. Look, we need you. The packaging industry needs you. It's not the sexiest, maybe not the most glamorous, but packaging innovation, packaging sales is something, a career that I swear from personal experience, you will find more rewarding than you ever imagine. I hope you enjoyed that episode. If you want to see more, here's another video that you can check out, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.